What do you guys think? It's pretty fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's another Weaver 6 goal!
Pretty sure Weaver won. Yeah?
That's 4 points.
Yeah.
They need 5 more goals to win, and there's 30 seconds left.
I'm pretty sure they're gonna win this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was awesome. I'd say our first Weaver State hockey game was pretty fun. We haven't been since Reagan was a baby, like this size.
Assisted by number 33, Rod Simmons.
This is what happens when we get home. The dog has to come jump in the car and say hi. Rosie, what was the puppy doing? She jumped on your lap? All right, Roxy, we're home. We're home.
I would guess 10, 15, 20, 25, 50.
I don't know if
Then ask Dad. I have no idea.
I think it goes 5,000, and then it goes up to 10,000, then it goes up to 15,000.
Should we jump?
No, Tommy Brown Rosie doesn't dance. She gets into everything else.
I don't think it uses $400.
Yay, pretty. Sure. Okay. Don't love that. She seems to know it though.
That's right where you were sitting down there. Almost whiteout conditions this morning. Driving to work. This clock's a few minutes fast, so I left early enough that I should get there on time if the roads aren't too bad. But if the roads are bad, it's gonna take me an hour to get to work. These days like this, wish I had a 3-car garage to where I could, oh, somebody's stuck here. They straight up plowed up into a snowbank. I'll bet you they were doing donuts. Oh man, people. Alright, I'm going, bus. Sorry, don't get mad at me, but I'm not hitting my brakes on this downhill. Yeah, you'll have to wait. Oh man, it's days like this. I'd love to just get my kinetic rope out and just pull people up this hill. You might want new tires, Toyota Camry. Yeah, you might want new tires. Man, should I turn around and pull them? I've got to get to work though. Alright, I'm gonna call my boss, let her know I'm gonna be late. Man, I just need to keep the camera rolling today. Just saw somebody else stuck up on the hill. Like, they're just sitting there spinning their wheels. Might want some snow tires, people. Weather like this. Yeah, I wasn't gonna drive my Lexus today. Got the truck out. It was covered in snow, so I had to. Thank goodness for a remote start though. I get in the truck, it's all nice and warm, toasty. Oh man, I love the snow. Little slippage there, kind of hit snowbank from snowplow in the middle of the road. Slipping and sliding just a little bit. All these people struggling in the snow. Glad I've got 4-wheel drive. And there's gonna be idiots out there saying 4-wheel drive doesn't help you stop. Well, we're in Utah. I'm going 25 miles an hour. Not even that. Yeah, don't mind the low fuel. I know, it's a Chevy thing. My fuel gauge is broken. It always says I have low fuel. I probably am really low though. I haven't filled up for a while. But yeah, they salt the roads. I mean, if I need to stop from 25 miles an hour, I'll be stopping pretty quick. I'll be fine. Alright, I'll turn the camera off for now. Alright, what kind of tires do you think this little Dodge Neon little wannabe race car has? He's revving his engine and zooming past me. I'm real curious how he's gonna do up this hill. I'm just gonna go ahead and pass him now. Woo-wee. This is some good snow conditions here. Cranking it at 30 up the hill. This guy seriously wants to race. Or he just likes hearing his fart cans. Your exhaust sounds like crap, dude. Alrighty, here we are. Actually, I'm gonna stay over here. It says this lane's closing, but I don't think it really is. I guess it did close. Oh well. Little Volkswagen Jetta back there. Couldn't get off the line anyway. We're just spinning out. Holy crap. What is going on here? I'm gonna go ahead and try to get around these people. They're all trying to stay on the plowed part of the road. Man, this light, it's like the sensors aren't working with the snow on the road. It lets like 4 cars through. And I'm gonna try to let this plow kind of get in front of me. I'm guessing he's turning left, but nope, he's going straight. He's like, screw this traffic. Impressive how they push snow so effortlessly. Man, I've made it like a mile and a half from home in 13 minutes.
You need to call 911.
Silly girls.